Hello students, in the chapter pair of linear equation in two variables, next we are going to see equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. There are some pair of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to the linear form by substitutions. So let's see one example. So suppose this is the given equation a by x plus b by y equal to c. So this can be reduced to a linear equation. So how? We can convert these type of equations into the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard form for linear equation. So this kind of equation can be converted into this type of standard form of linear equation. So how to do that? Let 1 by x equal to m, okay, and 1 by y equal to n. Okay, so in the first equation x is the variable, but that is in the denominator, it is in the form of fraction. So in order to make it simpler, we are taking 1 by x as one more variable m. Okay, now after substitution the equation will be am plus bn equal to c. Okay, so the same equation now it is turned into am plus bn equal to c. It can be easily solved by any of the method of solving linear equations. Now we can take any of the three methods. Okay, substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method. But in this year syllabus, cross multiplication method is deleted, so I also skipped that exercise. So let's solve the exercise 3.6. First problem, solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So these are the two given equations. Now we have to bring it to a pair of linear equations. So how to do it? So let us name this first equation and second equation. Just from the question we are naming it as 1 and 2. Then substituting 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v in equations 1 and 2. Okay, so here in equation 1 and 2, 1 by x is there, no? So that we are naming it as u. Okay, like a previous example, you can name m, n also. Like that, any variable you can take. Okay, so here in this problem I am taking u and v. Okay, then substituting that I will get u by 2 plus v by 3 equal to 2. Okay, this is named as third equation. Then u by 3 plus v by 2 equal to 13 by 6. This is fourth equation. Okay, just we are replacing 1 by x in form of u and v. That's it. Now we also this cannot be easily solved because here also we have fraction. So how to remove the fraction? We are going to remove the fraction. So let's do that. Multiplying both sides of the equations by 6 we get. So here in this equation by 6 we are going to multiply. So this will be reduced to 3u plus 2v equal to 12. Okay, when you multiply the full equation by 6. So here multiplied by 6 means 6 and 2 will get cancelled and you will get 3u. Here 6 is there means 6 and 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So 2v. So 2 into 6 is 12. That's why you got this equation and that is named as fifth equation. Okay. Similarly for fourth equation you have to multiply by 6. Now multiplying equation 5 by 3 and 6 by 2 and then subtracting the results we get. Okay. So now this have to be solved. Okay, so I am choosing elimination method. Okay, so for that sake only any one variable should have the same coefficient, then only we can add or subtract so that one variable will be eliminated. For that sake I am multiplying fifth equation by 3 and sixth equation by 2. Okay, So I will get like this. So these two equations are there. I am subtracting. So the second equation, all signs should be changed. Okay. So change all the signs. So here all are in plus. So all are changed to minus. Okay. 9 minus 4 is 5u. Then plus 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. 36 minus 26 is 10. Okay. So u equal to 10 by 5 equal to 2. Now put this to u equal to 2 in equation 5. You will get 6 plus 2v equal to 12. So that is v equal to 3 you will get. Okay. So u value we got, v value we got. With this you can't stop the problem. Again we have to substitute and find out the value of x and y. Okay. So what is u? U is 1 by x. So u value now only we got 2. So 1 by x is equal to 2. So bring this x here. Okay, just cross multiply. So x will be coming here and 2 will go to the division. Okay, in the denominator it will go. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly 1 by y equal to v, no. So 1 by y equal to 3 or y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so the solution is x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. That's a solution for this. Okay, so understood? Let's move to the second subdivision. Here also you can see in the denominator you are having x, y and that too in the root and all. Okay, so you have to take it in terms of one more variable, make it into a simpler linear equation, solve it, then find out the value of x and y. That's how you have to do it. So these two equations, just naming it as 1 and 2. Then substitute. So 1 by square root of x, that is equal to u, and 1 by root of y equal to v I am taking. Okay, substitute u and v in equation 1 and 2. So what I will get? 2u. Okay, this 1 by root x only turned into u. So that means 2u. That's why it's written 2u here. Okay, so 1 by root y, that is changed into v. 3v. Okay, 3v equal to 2. So similarly second equation, 4u minus 7v equal to 9v equal to minus 1. This is fourth equation. Now multiplying equation 3 by 3 and adding the result to equation 4. Okay, why we are doing this, you know, right? Because here we have to make the coefficient of v same. That's why we are going to multiply this equation by 3. Okay, so equation 3 we are multiplying by 3. So you will get like this, 6u plus 9v equal to 6 you will get. So here plus 9v, here minus 9v. Plus and minus you can cancel. So we are adding both the equation. No need to change the sign because we are adding both the equation. Already the sign are different. Okay, again if you change the sign, you will get both plus. So don't do. When the signs are different, you have to add both the equations. So plus v and minus 9v will get cancelled. So you will get 6u plus 4u equal to 10u. Then 6 minus 1. Already minus is there with 1. So as such you have to do 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So u is equal to 5 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then again substitute u value in equation 3. 3 or 4, whichever you want you can substitute. I am doing with 3. Okay. So substitute in third equation. So after substituting it will be 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3v equal to 2. Okay, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Okay, so here 1 will be there. So that 1 I am taking to the RHS. So 3v equal to 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. Then here 3v is there. So 3 is in the multiplication with v. So when it goes to RHS, it will go in division. So 1 by 3. Okay, so v equal to 1 by 3. Now we got u value and v value. With this you should not stop. You should substitute for x and y. You have to get value for x and y, then only the answer is complete. So u equal to 1 by root x. Okay, so already in the first step itself we wrote 1 by root x is equal to u. So substitute the value for u now. U is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by root x. Okay, so if you cross multiply, 2 will go to the numerator and root x will also go to the numerator. Okay, that's why I am getting root x equal to 2. So square root, how to remove? So squaring on both sides, RHS and LHS, I should do squaring. So square and square root are there means what we'll get? We will get simply the variable or the number which is there. Okay, we are taking square root. Okay, already square root is there. We are taking square. Okay, so square root and square is there means that will get cancelled. Okay, so I will get x is equal to 4. Why? Because I on both LHS and RHS I will do squaring. Okay, so in the RHS 2 is there already. So 2 square will be 4. So that's the value of x. X is equal to 4. So for y, v is equal to 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. Okay, v value we got here, no, that only 1 by 3. So again cross multiply. So 3 equal to root y. Okay, so how to remove the square root? We have to take square on both sides. So taking square on LHS, root y will turn into simply y. Y is equal to 3 square. Okay, 3 square is 9. Okay, so you will get y is equal to 9. Thus the solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Okay, so I will continue the same exercise in the next video. Thank you, children.